Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we will discuss different kind of expansion options available in the Mitsubishi PLCs. First of all, you can expand the base units of the Milsic FX series with the expansion modules and special function modules. There are two types of modules. Special function modules are those modules which are used for the conversion of analog signal to digital and digital to analog, and analog to digital and digital to analog conversion module. And the expansion modules are those modules which are used to expand the inputs or outputs. But we can say three types of modules. These modules are divided into three categories. There are three categories of these modules which are used for the expansion. Modules that occupy digital inputs and outputs installed on the right of the controller. These are those expansion modules which are installed on the right side of the base unit of the controller. These include the compact and modular digital expansion and special function modules. These are of this type. This is one expansion module, analog to digital converter. This is other expansion module. These are the expansion module. This is the expansion module 1 and this is the other expansion module. You can see that this is also in the similar way, digital input output extension modules are also attached on these locations, and they include digital inputs and outputs, and they also shape like this, but they do not have this kind of FX4AD, but they will be have a point written on it, that is input expansion module and the output expansion module. Input expansion module or the output expansion module, which are in the similar shape and can be inserted in the similar way. And the second one, modules that do not occupy any digital inputs and outputs installed on the left side of the controller. They do not occupy any digital input or outputs. They are installed on the left side of the controller, and these are of this kind. These are also called adapters. These are inserted on the corner here. Here is a rack which can take this kind of expansion modules, adapters, which are also called. These are installed on the left side of the controller. And the third one is the interface and the communication adapters that do not occupy any digital input and outputs installed directly in the controller unit. These are the interface and the communication adapters. You can understand that these are the adapters which are added in the base unit. Here, this kind of, if this is a unit, then there may be place for the communication in this base unit, and it also include the port for the communication, and these are of different kinds of ports available in different models of the PLCs. So this is installed on the right side, on the left side, and these kind of expansion modules, which are input expansion module or output expansion module, installed on the right side of the controller. It is an analog to digital converter, but the expansion module is also in the same position, in the same side, installed on the right side of the controller. Available modules for adding more digital inputs and outputs. We will discuss it in the next coming video.